What's up, YouTube? This is my new quad, and it doesn't work. So, I'm putting this video for you guys to send messages, or if you're good with quad, comment and ask me how I can fix it. It doesn't start here. I'll show you. I think I got the key in here. Watch. The throttle's really doesn't get pushed in easy. The brakes are good and everything. The brakes are good. But the shifter doesn't come back all the way. So we think we have to replace this thing. Whatever that is, that thing right there. Pretty sure it's a Japanese quad. So watch. See, here's the key. Little default key. And quad key, the ignition key holder. Okay. So I put it in, I turn it on. Electric start, I know it might need a new battery. Nothing happens. Got the kick start right here. Really hard to kick and start without shoes, so yeah. It doesn't come back that easy. So I'm not really sure. And over here, that quad, this quad's okay. Is it on this side? No, it's on the other side. Sorry, wrong side. Ugh, shifting over here. Yeah, right here. This valve. You might not be able to see it, but this valve right here, it leaks gas or oil or something out of this vent right here. I don't know, it's really much for us. The wires are all out. It's a decent quad. Nice quad and everything. Real nice quad. Just it won't start and I need some help. To make it start. It's a Japanese quad. It's Premier. And I'll do, if you guys help me, I'll make a video starting and I'll make it the GoPro. I'll make a GoPro video. So here. Hang on a second. I got a shoe. I need to find a place to sit this. So I'll do another video on Kickstart. Alright guys. I'll do next part 2 of me trying to Kickstart for you. Alright. Time's right now. So alright. I found what I was looking for. Hopefully that's a good view. If you can help me out, that would be great. So, thanks for watching.